Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Amos Online Technique. So guys, I will be showing you guys how to get Aviator 6.0 activation code for free. So all you need to do is watch this video to the very end, and don't forget to hit the white subscribe button, and don't also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post video, YouTube will notify you that Amos Online Technique has posted a video. Okay, so with that said much, let me just open the Aviator 6.0 version so you guys can see how it is. Okay, so this video is for educational purposes, and don't try to use any trick showed in this video. Don't try to use it for any harm. Okay, use it very responsible. Okay, so guys, I'll be showing you guys, like I said, how to get the free activation code of this Aviator 6.0. so there is it. So once I click on it, this way, and then it's gonna load, and it asks us to send to put activation code, which is the ID, and it's noticed that their code is so $10. So guys, let me show you guys how to get it. Now let's get started. You'll be needing this APK Editor Pro Plus. The APK Editor Pro Plus is for sale and not for free. So if you want to get it, this is the main legit APK Editor Pro Plus. So now I'll be searching the app by name. I'll search Aviator. So once I search it, here it is up there. I'm then gonna tap on it and then click on the first option that says Full Edit. Then tap on the second option that says All Files. So once I tap on it, it's gonna bring me here down. What you need to do is watch closely and then make sure you click these files. Click on Files. Once you click on Files, and then move over here, click on Smiley, as you can see. So let's tap on it. It's gonna load and everything is gonna be done. And once it loads successfully, so it successfully decodes the files for us. So you need to go to the this keyword to search incorrect code. Okay, why do we need to search incorrect code? Let me just show you something here. If you put your wrong code, it's gonna say incorrect ID. So we need to type the incorrect ID here. That's because that is the main keywords to use in getting the password. So now click on search. Sorry, let me tap on it again. That should be in a capital letters. Okay, so it's in capital letters. You can see over there, so it's not in small letters. So now I click on search. Once you click on search, you see it has bring it to us. So now you click on it, tap on it, and then tap on the red one you see. Then you're gonna see the code over here. First of all, it's gonna show you the incorrect ID, and then here is the if you want to see the code, you need to go over here that says constraint and see the code. Anywhere that says constraint v1, which that means where the code is. This is the code here. So please hit the red subscribe button or white subscribe button, as the new YouTube updated subscribe button is, and also like this video, smash the like button. Okay, so now let me copy out the code. So I'm trying to copy out the code. Okay, sorry. So I have copied the code. Let me copy and then move back to it, and then here it is. It's gonna open for us successfully. Let me clear the one I typed there, paste it, and once I paste it, you're gonna see boom, it has successfully opened, guys. So that's gonna be the end of this video. So if you got value from what I've taught in this particular video, which is the free activation code for 6.0, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video as well, smash the like button. Okay, show some love. Until I see you guys in my next video, keep winning and keep rejoicing. Peace out.